Ready to become a master of deception and build a secret base your friends will never find. First, gather your supplies. You'll need sticky pistons, redstone dust, a lever, a redstone repeater, building blocks of your choice, and most importantly, a block that blends seamlessly with your wall to act as your hidden door, like a bookshelf for a library or a crafting table for a workshop. Next, find the location for your secret door. Now, place 2 sticky pistons on top of each other, facing outwards where you want your hidden door to be. These pistons will push the disguise block to open and close the passage. Place your disguise block, like a bookshelf, directly in front of the sticky pistons. Ensure it looks like it's part of the natural wall to keep your secret safe. Now for the redstone magic. Behind the wall, place your lever in a convenient spot. Run redstone dust from the lever towards the sticky pistons if the distance is too long. Add a redstone repeater to boost the signal and make sure the pistons get power. Experiment with the redstone repeater delay by right-clicking it. Changing the delay can affect how smoothly the door opens and closes, so find a setting that works best for you. Finally, flick the lever. If everything is connected correctly, your disguise block should retract, revealing your hidden passage. Flick it again, and the door closes, hiding your secret base from prying eyes. This design works on both Bedrock and Java editions, so get creative and build the ultimate hidden base.